All right, well, when a major national crisis triggers public outrage and demands urgent action, Parliament has on several occasions moved with remarkable speed to pass key legislation. The urgency surrounding the anti-paper leak bill has once again brought the spotlight on how quickly India's lawmaking process can respond to extraordinary circumstances. But this is not without precedent. After the 26/11 Mumbai terror attacks, Parliament fast-tracked legislation that led to the creation of the National Investigation Agency. Similarly, following nationwide outrage over the 2012 Nirbhaya case, the Criminal Law Amendment Bill was passed to strengthen laws against sexual offences and introduce tougher punishments. Both laws emerged from moments of national trauma and intense public pressure, with the government acting swiftly to address public concerns. So how do these landmark examples compare with the current push for stronger action against examination fraud? Here is a look at some of India's fastest tracked laws. I'll go to the big screen and show you what exactly we are talking about, and then of course we'll engage more on what this is all about. Well, the bills that have been passed at breakneck speed: the NIA bill in 2008, bill to create a federal agency to investigate terror cases. This was obviously done after the 26/11 attacks, and this was also one of the main precedents which allowed the Parliament to pass a law extremely quickly. The bill again was brought in after 26/11 terror attacks, as is pretty much visible over here, that it was a dire need to have an agency that only and only focuses on terror attacks. It was passed by Lok Sabha on the 1st of, I beg your pardon, on the 17th of December 2008, even less than a month of the 26/11 attacks. It was cleared by Rajya Sabha the very next day, received presidential assent within just a few days. It was 3 days, if I remember, and it was made into law, and the National Investigation Agency was born. It led to the creation of the National Investigation Agency, which is a pivotal spine, a vertebrae that in fact looks after and prevents also from terrorism activities from happening. The Criminal Law Amendment Bill 2013. It was a bill to strengthen laws against sexual offences, popularly known as the Nirbhaya Act. This was also done after 16 December 2012. That was the day that Nirbhaya was raped and murdered, introduced after nationwide outrage over the Nirbhaya case. We remember those scenes from India Gate and Jantar Mantar as well, and this was also a law which was swiftly put into motion. It was passed by the Lok Sabha on the 19th of March, cleared by Rajya Sabha on the 21st of March 2013, and subsequently also received the presidential nod. Received presidential assent on April 2nd, which was just a few days after it was passed in both the houses. So obviously some of these amendments have been urgent, contingent laden, and they have been passed. So it expanded the definition of sexual offences, introduced tougher punishments for several sexual crimes, and this was obviously not there to address how to reduce these crimes. This was only a deterrent which was brought about by the government, and this is exactly what is being done in the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha as well. Manohar Keshri, my colleague, is joining us on the broadcast. Manohar, संशोधन किया गया है कानून में और इसकी बहुत आवश्यकता भी है, पर सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि चलिए पनिशमेंट तो होगी, सज़ा तो मिलेगी, पर ये जो क्रिमिनल माफिया है, एजुकेशन एग्जाम माफिया है, उसको कैसे कंट्रोल किया जाए, ये भी एक बड़ा सवाल है।
देखिए, बिल्कुल कानून एक तरह से लोकसभा और राज्यसभा दोनों से पास हो जाएगा। लोकसभा से पास हो चुका है, राज्यसभा में चर्चा चल रही है और इसके बाद राष्ट्रपति की मंजूरी मिलेगी। जिस सबसे बड़ा सवाल है कि आखिरकार इस पे लगाम कैसे लगेगा। तो इसीलिए प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने साफ तौर पर एक टास्क फोर्स का गठन किया है, जो आने वाले टाइम में जो एआई का इस्तेमाल करके, जो टेक्नोलॉजी का इस्तेमाल करके उन सारी चीजों को नजर रखने के लिए वो रिपोर्ट जब सौंपेगी, नंदन नीलकानी की जब रिपोर्ट सौंपेगी, तब चीजें और बेहतर हो सकेगी, ट्रांसपेरेंट हो सकेगी। जहां तक पेपर लीक के बाद जो दोषी पाया जाएगा उनके खिलाफ एक्शन लिया जाएगा, जिसमें अलग अलग फेजेस में है, चाहे स्टूडेंट्स हों, टीचर हों, सर्विस प्रोवाइडर हों, या जिस माफिया की आप बात कर रहे हैं, जो पेपर लीक माफिया, जिसमें सरकार से लेकर के स्टूडेंट्स और सर्विस प्रोवाइडर सभी लोग जुड़े रहते हैं, तो उनके खिलाफ सख्त से सख्त कानून की व्यवस्था की गई है। और इसीलिए फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट का गठन भी किया जाएगा। और अभी आप देखें कि दिल्ली में भी फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट का गठन हो गया है और लगातार सुनवाई हो रही है। तो पूरी तरह से प्रधानमंत्री ने आश्वस्त किया है कि कोई भी दोषी बख्शा नहीं जाएगा। जी
मनोहर, इस जानकारी के लिए आपका